Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of Beyblade X CX PegasusBlast. Two of them. One for competitive use and one for stock use. So yeah, let me unbox. There's my knife. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh, shit. There we go. Now let me get the other one open. Another cool launcher. Okay. Okay, there we go. And there we go. Oh. Okay, let me get this open. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay. There we go. There's Pegasus.
As he preferred quick escapes to the defense position granted by the bed farthest from the door, which was claimed by Blaze. Each of them found their belongings in the middle of the
Okay, and this one will be for parts.
Each of them found quickly that they were rather tired.
But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.